This conversation is about a patient's visit to a hospital for a medical appointment. It includes interactions with various hospital staff such as the receptionist, nurse, doctor, and radiologist. The patient describes his symptoms to the doctor, undergoes an examination, and gets tests done, a blood test and a chest X-ray, to diagnose his condition. The conversation helps in understanding common medical vocabulary and phrases used in a hospital setting. Receptionist, good morning. How can I help you today? Patient, good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10 a.m. Receptionist, may I have your name, please? Patient, yes, it's John Doe. Receptionist, thank you, Mr. Doe. Let me check the system. Yes, I see your appointment. Please have a seat in the waiting area. The doctor will see you shortly. Patient, thank you. Could you tell me approximately how long the wait will be? Receptionist, it should be about 15 minutes, but I'll let you know if there are any delays. Patient, great, thank you. After 15 minutes. Nurse, Mr. Doe, the doctor is ready to see you now. Please follow me. Patient, sure, thank you. Inside the doctor's office. Dr. Smith, good morning, Mr. Doe. How are you feeling today? Patient, good morning, Dr. Smith. I've been feeling a bit under the weather lately. Dr. Smith, I'm sorry to hear that. Can you describe your symptoms for me? Patient, I've been having a persistent cough, a slight fever, and some fatigue. Dr. Smith, how long have you been experiencing these symptoms? Patient, it's been about a week now. Dr. Smith, have you had any other symptoms, like difficulty breathing or chest pain? Patient, no, nothing like that. Just the cough, fever, and fatigue. Dr. Smith, have you taken any medication or seen any other doctors about this? Patient, I've been taking some over-the-counter cough syrup, but it hasn't helped much. Dr. Smith, all right, let me examine you. Please take a seat on the examination table. Patient, sure. Dr. Smith performs the examination. Dr. Smith, your lungs sound clear, but I think it would be best to run some tests to rule out any infections. I'll have the nurse take a blood sample and we'll do a chest X-ray. Patient, that sounds good. How long will it take to get the results? Dr. Smith, we should have the blood test results back by tomorrow, and the X-ray results should be available within an hour. I'll call you with the results as soon as I have them. Patient, thank you, Dr. Smith. Is there anything I can do in the meantime to feel better? Dr. Smith, make sure to get plenty of rest, stay hydrated, and continue taking over-the-counter medication for your symptoms. If your condition worsens or you experience any new symptoms, please come back immediately. Patient, I will. Thank you for your help. Dr. Smith, you are welcome. Take care, Mr. Doe. Nurse takes the patient to the lab for tests. Nurse, hi, Mr. Doe. I'll be drawing your blood for the test. Please have a seat and roll up your sleeve. Patient, sure, here you go. Nurse, this might sting a little. Are you ready? Patient, yes, go ahead. Nurse draws the blood sample. Nurse, all done. Now, please head over to radiology for your chest X-ray. It's just down the hall to your left. Patient, thank you. Have a good day. Nurse, you too. At radiology. Radiologist, good morning. Are you here for a chest X-ray? Patient, yes, that's correct. Radiologist, please fill out this form and we'll call you in shortly. Patient, all right, thank you. After filling out the form. Radiologist, Mr. Doe, please follow me. We'll do the X-ray now. Patient, okay, thank you. In the X-ray room. Radiologist, please stand here and follow my instructions. Take a deep breath and hold it while I take the image. Patient takes a deep breath. Radiologist, perfect. You can breathe normally now. We'll take one more image from a different angle. Patient, okay. Radiologist, all done. You can get dressed now. Your results will be sent to Dr. Smith. Patient, thank you very much. Radiologist, you are welcome. Have a great day. Patient, you too. This conversation includes common phrases and vocabulary used in a hospital setting and can help improve English speaking skills through practice and repetition. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.